Have you ever dreamed of traveling without a rigid itinerary, letting spontaneity guide your journey? Join us on a 9-day adventure from Bilbao to Porto as we explore breathtaking destinations by train, bus, and shared rides. With only one night's hotel booked in advance, every day unfolds as a new chapter, full of endless possibilities and unparalleled customization. Experience the freedom, the surprises, and the unforgettable moments that come with embracing a different way to travel. Welcome to our adventure.
Okay, so as you probably can tell, we are in Bilbao, and this is our view. We took the bus from the airport, actually 2 buses to get here, one from the airport to downtown area, and then from the downtown area to our hotel. I'll have a burger, yes, that will be great, thank you. Sure. So, oh, look at this place. We're gonna go and sit in the square. So now we're heading towards the Guggenheim. What do you think of the Guggenheim?
Everyone should visit it because it's worth seeing the building, but also what's inside.
Look at this. I mean, the setting is absolutely beautiful here. And it's like 25, 26 degrees now. So we're still looking for something to eat. And it's getting kind of late. And we need to go back to the hotel and find a hotel in Santander for tomorrow. Because as of now, we don't have any. Yay!
No, se compra en la taquilla.
Ah, okay.
Just say the loud. It's going to be 36 degrees in Romania. So we just got dropped off at the bus station underground by the taxi, and well, now we have to head up through this door. Interesting. The bus we wanted to take was full, so we had to buy a ticket for the bus later, which is like in like 2 hours, which is fine because the weather is. I mean, for some people it's a little chilly. For others, it's absolutely wonderful. Very nice. Did not expect this. Oh, birdie. Hello. Okay, der er altså noget luksus her, ikke? Og det er udendørs rulletrapper. Last video of today, I kind of left my extra spare battery in the back at the hotel, and I only have like a couple of % left of power. So this is probably going to be the last from us today. So see you later or tomorrow. Bye. All right, so our ride got here and we are almost ready to go. Are you excited? And we're going to be joined by a lovely little doggy. So it's going to be all fun from here. first time chilling just like for real today on the grass with this view. So behind this door is where our apartment is. And it's located on this cute little street where people are hanging out until midnight or so. This is the apartment we have rented. Bathroom out here, front door there. Then we have the dormitorio.
And we have bought tickets from Santiago to Porto.
Okay.
Just walk and buy some yarn. What a nice park.
So, where are we going? I mean, this area is absolutely amazing, and there are actually people living here. We made it this far. We got picked up and we're on our way. Okay. There you go. You think and I went just to stay.
The paper I have not seen on the screen.
Oh, shh.
Happy 40th birthday. You are my sweetie pie from your honeymoon. Is this it?
That's it.
Is this my gift?
We're off to see the world, to see the wizard and the wonders of A Coruña, and we're gonna be celebrating all day. Yay! Right. So. We just bought two. What do you call it? Beach towel thingies. So we have found this perfect little spot. We think it's called Torres de Hércules, and the beach itself is like a little pearl, and the temperature again is around 24 degrees. It's a little bit windy. There are so many places that tourists haven't gotten to yet. The things that we'll do, 'cause So we finally arrived to Santiago. We went by the hotel and dropped off our luggage. And now we're just out for a walk. So the first walk in Santiago, and it's really pretty. Again, I mean, we keep saying that about almost every town we get to, but this time it's really true. So we're off once again. This time to Porto. We finally arrived to Porto, and the sun is out and everything is looking absolutely amazing. Wanted to say that we went for a walk and had a hamburger,
Which was absolutely terrible.
very public, very tourist area, and it was absolutely horrible. We should have known better.
Imagine building your house like that.
Yeah, I know. So after being out for just a little while, we can definitely feel the change in the temperature. I don't know what it is now, but maybe 28 or so. And it's gonna be up to 33 degrees today, according to Siri. The last entire day in Portugal. Tomorrow we're gonna head out to the airport around 10:30 is our flight. So for today, we're gonna start out the day by going to this Harry Potter bookstore, which apparently is much more than a bookstore. It's a museum. We went by yesterday and there was a queue of, I don't know, 30 meters or so. This is what we're talking about. A ton of people lining up. My selfie stick. Hey, sweet pie. So what do you think of the weather today? The reason why she's laughing is I turned my tripod into a selfie stick. Alright. Well, we are off to the airport. And as Amalia just put it, our Spanish and Portuguese adventure is technically over. So I don't know how far away the airport is, but yeah, I'm expecting us to be there in like 10 minutes. So I hope you had a great week, a great day, and see you in the next video. Bye.